years through appropriate fiscal support. Rural land related cadastral maps. 3. Survey of subdivisions. Survey of subdivisions as per current ownership. 4. Establishment of land registry. And 5. Linking to the farmers registry. These actions flow and other agri-employment and skilling. A comprehensive integration of eShram portal with other portals will facilitate such one-stop solution. Open architecture databases for the rapidly changing labor market, skill requirements.
I am Sakshi from BVM third year here to present you the highlights of Union Budget 24-25. So coming to the highlights, government to launch comprehensive scheme for internship opportunities. Internship allowance for 5,000 per month for youth. 1 crore youth to be benefited with internship opportunities under 500 companies. Need to focus on improvement of women, middle class employment and farmers. New skilling programs for women, cities to be transferred into growth hubs. Housing need of 1 crore urban people to be addressed. Big announcement for states of Bihar and Andhra Pradesh. Then prices of cancer medicines to go down. Mobile phone and charges to be cheaper. TDS rate to be reduced for e-commerce.
Good morning, everyone. Today, I, Nisha, student of BBM third year, is here to tell you the sum of the points which are given in Union Budget 2024-2025. So, here are the points. First, 20 lakh youth will be skilled. Custom duty on gold and silver reduced by 6%. TDS rate reduced for e-commerce. Standard deduction increased to 75,000. Government reduces corporate tax on foreign companies by 35%. And
Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. I am Prem from BVM final year. I am here to explain some highlights of Union Budget 2024-25. तो इसमें अभी हम लोग को यहाँ पे हमारे फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर ने अभी जो हम लोग को बताया कि हमारा न्यू टैक्स रिजिम में कुछ चेंजेज आया है। जो पहले हमारा न्यू टैक्स रिजिम था उसमें हम लोग को डिडक्शन नहीं मिलता था, और अभी जो न्यू टैक्स रिजिम में आया है चेंजेज, जिसमें हम लोग को सैलरी पे 75,000 का डिडक्शन मिल रहा है, और ये फैमिली पेंशन पे भी हम लोग को 25,000 का डिडक्शन मिल रहा है। तो इससे हम लोग एक एग्जांपल से समझते हैं कि जैसे मेरा सैलरी है पर ईयरली 50 लाख रुपीज़, तो हमारा 75,000 का उस पर डिडक्शन मिल रहा है, तो डिडक्शन हम लोग उसमें माइनस कर लेंगे। मतलब हमारा 50 लाख अगर हमारा सैलरी है तो हमारा 49.25 लाख पे ही हमारा ये टैक्स रिजिम टैक्स हमको पे करना होगा। तो हम लोग पहले जो न्यू टैक्स रिजिम में हमारा टैक्स स्लैब था जो 0 से 3 लाख तक नील था, और अभी न्यू में भी वही आया है, 0 से 3 लाख तक नील ही है, और उसके बाद 3 लाख से 6 लाख तक था पहले हम लोग का 5%। अभी इसमें चेंजेज आया है जो 3 लाख से 7 लाख तक 5% हम लोग को पे करना है। फिर से हम लोग पहले वाला देखेंगे कि 6 लाख से 9 लाख तक 10% था, और नया वाला में 7 लाख से 10%, 10 लाख 10% है। और उसके बाद 9 से 12 तक हम लोग का था 50%, अभी 10 से 12 तक हम लोग का 50% है, और 12 से 15 था 20%, अभी न्यू वाला में भी सेम ही है, 12 से 15 अभी 20% ही है, और ये एबव 50% हम लोग का है 30%। थैंक यू।
PM Awas Yojana. Under PM Awas Yojana, invest on poor 10 lakh crore in next 5 years. Second is tax payable services like GST have been digitalized on and made paperless in next few years. Proposal of employment and investment. First is boost entrepreneurship, tourism in India and to attract foreign capital. Personal income tax. According to new regime, standard deduction is 15,000 to 17,000 rupees of salary of private sector, and family pension deduction is 15,000 to 20,000 rupees.
Good morning everyone. I am Ankit Kumar of BBM third year. I am going to give some highlight of the Union Budget 2024 to 2025. Here are the some highlights. Short-term capital gain tax, which was before 15%, is now increased to 20%, and long-term capital gain tax, which was before 10%, is now increased to 12.5%, and the relaxation on the profit from a stock market in a single year, which was before till 1 lakh, is now increased to 1.25 lakhs. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. Myself Madhu from BBM third year, and I'm here to discuss some highlights points of budget 2024 to 2025. Modi government's big urban development push cities to be transformed into growth hubs. Big announcement for state Bihar and Andhra Pradesh. Focus on recognition on first 20 lakh youths will be skilled. Prices of cancer medicines to go down. Mobile phones and charger to be cheaper.
Good afternoon to all of you. I, Shraddha Gupta from BBM third year, I am going to give you some highlights from Union Budget 2024 to 2025. Custom duty on 3 more medicines for cancer patient, lower price of medicine. Free electricity scheme for 1 crore houses. 3.4 GDP allocation for the infrastructure development. Comprehensive scheme for internship opportunity.
Hello everyone, my name is Bittu Kumar. I am going to give some highlights of Union Budget 2024-25. Capex spent rupees 11.1 lakh crore unchanged from the interim budget. Infrastructure spent 3.4% of GDP. Schemes for youth, 5 schemes to focus on 4.1 crore youth over 5 years with a central outlay of rupees 2 lakh crores. Comprehensive internship scheme, 1 crore youth in top companies over 5 years. Employment linked incentives, 1 month's wage support for first time employees. Women specific skilling programs, increased workforce participations. MSMEs and manufacturing sectors, special attention, credit guarantee scheme and term loans for machinery purchase. Rural
I am here some highlights on Union Budget 2024-25. First priority productivity and agriculture. Second, employment and skilling. Third, social justice. 4, manufacturing. Fifth, urban development. 5, infrastructure. 7th,